everybody, welcome to the ranch. It's Monica and we're in the kitchen today. Today we are working on a snack collaboration with Mtn Grandma, Life in the Piedmont, and Gail Southern Living. It's actually called Healthy Snacks 25. So if you want to see any more videos in this wonderful collaboration, you can go to all three of the channels, check out the full playlist they're going to have there at their channels, and make sure you go click on some other videos. Go and see all the different healthy snacks that you and your family can enjoy for the month of April. I am taking yogurt and I am going to make some frozen snacks that we can enjoy. So come along and see what I'm doing. Social media is filled with vacation photos, outdoor activities, and everybody's living their best life this time of year. Springtime is the time of year when anxiety is at its peak. And it can make all of us feel just a little inadequate when we see everybody else doing their very best. And we're just out here trying to make some healthy snacks or whatever we're doing. And you see all these different recipes and ideas that you try and sometimes you fail. It makes us feel all kinds of which ways. But you know what? That's okay. It doesn't have to. And that's where my sponsor, BetterHelp, comes in handy. See, anxiety often peaks in the late springtime, but BetterHelp can connect you with a therapist that can provide support. The majority of BetterHelp members seek support for anxiety, and 69% of members report improved anxiety symptoms after just 6 weeks of therapy on BetterHelp. It's easy to start. Just fill out the questionnaire online and get matched to a therapist in as little as a couple of days. You can easily switch therapists at any time without any extra cost if it's not the right fit for you. They carefully make sure that the therapists on the platform are well qualified, and their customer support team is there to help you if you ever have any questions. With over 7,000 reviews and a 4.3 rating on Trustpilot, BetterHelp is a platform that you can trust. Let BetterHelp help you rule your anxiety instead of letting anxiety rule you. Click the link in the description box below or go to betterhelp.com/BlandsRanch for 10% off your first month of therapy. Now, let's get snacking, or let's get started on our healthy snacks. So one of the things that we do here is we have regular yogurt for my kids that can eat dairy, and then we have some dairy-free yogurt. Now, I don't have any more of the dairy-free yogurt, but we tried this snack last week, and all the kids seem to enjoy it. I enjoy chocolate probably a little more than the average person, so of course, I'm going to give you a chocolatey snack. Now, last year I did this collaboration, and you can go check out the card. I'm going to put it either here or here, somewhere. I'm going to put the card so you can click on that link and go see the Healthy Snacks collaboration video that I submitted last year, which was a really fun take on a Snickers bar. Now, I will tell you that the kids really enjoyed that one, and so did Eric. Not as much as they like this one, but I've seen this all over Instagram and all over Facebook, and I thought, you know what? I've got to try it. So we tried it last week. We tried it last week, and then this morning, or yesterday, I actually put this together. So I wanted to show you kind of what I did ahead of time, and then we're going to finish it off right now. I took this Greek yogurt. This is the Greek Gods Greek yogurt honey version, okay? So you can use high protein yogurt. You can use whatever yogurt your family prefers. Maybe you make your homemade yogurt. Use that. You can also use the dairy-free. It works with the dairy-free. My son doesn't eat dairy, and so he really wanted to kind of partake in the snacks that we were having. And so I was able to use the coconut yogurt and I think the almond milk yogurt. And we were able to do this with that. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to see here in this video that I'm going to show. I'm going to show you exactly what I did.
All right, guys, get your favorite yogurt and let's go. Get your fruit. I chose strawberries because it was the end of this package. And honestly, it was such a great decision because they were super sweet. I just didn't want them to go to waste, so I used them. You can use blueberries. We did the last time we made these and they were just as good. Or you can use frozen fruit. If you have frozen fruit, just thaw it out for a few minutes and then you can take it and put it in your bowl just like this. Best part is you chop it all up. I just crunched it up here with one of my little doohickeys. I don't know what kind of tool that is, but I like it. So I used it. Once they're all smashed up, you can go ahead and get that yogurt, open it up, and then just dump it in. I don't know how much, guys. I just measure with my heart. I knew this looked about right. It looked like it was a good ratio of fruit to yogurt, and I went for it. And then you're going to put it on your trays. I just used a little cookie scoop. It was the smallest one I had. It wasn't a huge one. It wasn't the medium one. I went for the baby bear on this one, guys. Did just the dollop, just enough, spread it around, and put it in my freezer.
The next day, here's what we got. This is the freezer ready stuff. So we've got these situated. Now we're going to dip them in some chocolate. I have got some melted chocolate here. What I did was take a very simple bag of the chocolate chips. I took a spoonful of my coconut oil and then I mixed it around and I put it into the microwave. You don't have to be fancy with this. Now let me show you what I'm gonna do with this and this. Now remember, this is your healthy part, guys, this. Now if you are sugar-free or dairy-free, you can use the dairy-free chocolate chips. You can use the sugar-free chocolate chips. You can use whatever you want to make this as healthy or not so healthy as you want. But I think this is still overall a really healthy snack compared to some of the other garbage that you could be eating. So let me show you what I'm gonna do here. All right, so I've got these little pieces right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull it right off. You can see it's frozen. I'm gonna put it on here, right there. You see it right there? There you go. And we're going to dip it, it's right here. We're gonna dip it into the chocolate. Dip it in, pull it over, and we're gonna shake, shake, shake all the chocolate off of there. We're gonna put it back on the container, right there. We're gonna dip it, shake, shake, shake. Now maybe this is too much chocolate for you. If it is, then you can add less chocolate. Maybe you want to do different types of chocolate. Whatever you want to do, you can do it to make it custom to you. Again, if you want to do smaller chunks, mine are definitely good size. You could just use a regular fork to do this too, but I'm using my little fancy tool because it feels better. Plus, I got it for Christmas and I wanted to try it. That's a lot of chocolate. Okay, so now we pulled everything out and you can see I've only gotten a few because I kept having to put them back in. They were melting too fast. Texas is brutal, guys. Some days it's like 50 degrees and some days it's 80. So what I've got here though, I'm gonna take this one and we're gonna give this to Ezekiel and see if he wants to try. So come on, my helper. My garden helper, Ezekiel, is here. So come here, take this. He's a little in this video, oh my gosh. Here, like do it so they can see what you're doing. Tell me what you think. You're so little in this video. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, is it better than the bigger ones or is it, do you think the bigger ones were better? Did you try one of the bigger ones? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so in a lot of these, it's hard because
I think the bigger ones are better.
The bigger ones I think are gonna be better because these are gonna melt pretty quickly. But overall, I think they're pretty good. Do you wanna try one, Jacob? You wanna try one? Anybody? So, well, Elijah can't. So my non-dairy kid can't try these because these are the Greek yogurt ones. But we did do dairy-free ones last week, and he seemed to really enjoy them. Did you like them? Yeah? Off camera, yeah. They're shaking their head, yes. So we're going to go ahead and take these. Now, these are going to melt if you take them out of the freezer, but they're nice little bites. You can see right there. See if I can get it to come up here. There you go. They're nice little bites of chocolate. Hard chocolate. There we go. Hard chocolate and nice, soft strawberry yogurt. Yeah, they're pretty good. I almost had a brain fart. Couldn't remember what I was doing. You like it? You already got chocolate on your face, so I guess it works. Okay, so this is it for my healthy snacks. Make sure that you go and you check out all the videos on the playlist. I'm going to attach the list of the channels and the dates that they're going to do their videos. I'm sure there's going to be some really great videos. These are fun and they're a little messy, but I'm going to say right now for some strawberries and some yogurt, because maybe you have a person that doesn't really like yogurt eating it with a spoon. This is a great way to enjoy your yogurt and a little bit of chocolate and have a really nice chocolatey healthy snack. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us on the channel. Don't forget to click the playlist. Check out all the channels. And thank you so much, Tammy from Mtn Grandma. Thank you, Life in the Piedmont. And thank you, Gail Southern Living, for having me be a part of your collaboration. I really appreciate you guys. And I just love you. Thanks so much. Hey, who likes healthy snacks that include chocolate? Farmers' wives do. Bye. I got chocolate on me. healthy snacks that make a mess.
It's good.
You just ate one without. But they make a mess on your hands?
Mm-hmm.
The strawberry was really good.
Yeah.
It was. You need to get me more yogurt now.
I know. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yeah. Did you get a plain one too?
I got
The
plain.
plain ones. Oh my goodness, I like
Both
that.
of us are good.